Today we are working on Excel Lesson 8, the fourth lesson, Accessing Workbook Properties. So this is the document you should have opened up. First step says in File Explorer, navigate to the Starter Files folder. So File Explorer is this yellow folder down here on the bottom of your screen. You can see I hovered over it and it says File Explorer. So click that and then go to your Jasper Active folder and we're going to Starter Files. And right click the financial statement properties. So right click and then we're going to go down to properties. Click the details tab. So there's your details tab. Then scroll down the window to view its contents. Notice that you can click to remove properties and personal information link at the bottom of the window right here. Click Cancel to close the Properties window. Open the Financial Statement Properties Workbook. Move this up. And save it to My Projects folder. File. Save As. Go to My Projects. And save it. Click the File button. Ensure the Info category is active. Click Properties and then click Advanced Properties. In the Summary tab, enter the following. Title, we want to make this say Tolano Adventures. Subject is financial statement. Author. Your name. In parentheses. Category. Financial. Keywords. I'm just going to copy all these keywords. Control C, Control V. Click each of the tabs to view their content so you can see. Click each of those. Notice that some of the property values you have just entered now appear in this info screen. Click OK. And you see right here where it's got titles, it's got tags, it's got financial. Right here it says your name. I wonder if I was supposed to actually type my name there. I don't know. Maybe it won't mark it wrong. Save and close the workbook. So let's click Save and then close that workbook. In the File Explorer, navigate to the My Projects folder. So let's go to the My Projects folder. Right click this document and click Properties. Click the Details tab. Then view its contents. Notice this window now displays the new property values that you entered. Click Cancel. Mark as answered. Submit. This completes accessing workbook properties.